Welcome to my Math Class. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from uh, DP1 Mathematics AA SL, topic name Indices. This is formative test paper. So question number 1, simplify a root over 27 plus root over 243. So we have to write, instead of 27, we have to write 9 multiply 3 plus, instead of 243, we can write 81 multiply 3. So if we split this, we can write root over 9 multiply root over 3 plus root over 81 multiply root over 3. We know that square root of 9 is 3. So 3 multiply root over 3 is 3 root over 3 plus square root of 81 is 9 multiply root over 3. So here 3 root over 3, here 9 root over 3. If you add both of these, you will get here 12 root over 3. Or you can write in this way, take root over 3 common. So you can write 3 plus 9 here. So it will be root over 3 multiply 12. So finally you can write 12 root over 3. Number B, simplify root over 98 minus root over 50. Root over 98, if we split this, we try to take one square number, 49, multiply 2 is 98, minus root over 25 multiply 2 is 50. So if we split this, we can write root over 49 multiply root over 2 minus root over 25 multiply root over 2. So square root of 49 is 7 root over 2 minus square root of 25 is 5 root over 2. So if you take common root over 2, we'll get here 7 minus 5. So it will be root over 2 multiply 2. So you can write here 2 root over 2. Number B completed. Question number 2, simplify cube root 8 a to the power minus 3 divided by 64 b to the power minus 3. So one thing you have to remember, this is cube root. So we can write here 8 a to the power minus 3 by 64 b to the power minus 3 and power 1 by 3, because cube root of 3 means like cube root of a is a to the power 1 by 3. So we can write 8 and 8 convert into as a index number 2 to the power 3, a to the power minus 3. 64 we can write as the index number 4 to the power 3, b to the power minus 3. Now upper side is the power 1 by 3. So if we remove the bracket, this power will multiply each of this power. So we can write 2 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3, a to the power minus 3 multiply 1 by 3, then 4 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3, b to the power minus 3 multiply 1 by 3. So what we get? 3 and 3 cancel here, 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel, this 3, that 3 cancel. So we'll get here 2, a to the power minus 1, 4, b to the power minus 1. So we can cancel these 2 and 4, below side 2, upper side 1. And one thing we know that A inverse means 1 by A, 2 here, B inverse means 1 by B. So it will be 1 by A by 2 by B. So fractional division, if we want to write 1 by A, convert into multiplication, it will be B by 2. So finally we can write B by 2 way. Number B, this is square root. Okay, so we can write here AB square 9A square B to the power 4. So here this cube and this square root will multiply with this cube. Now we can cancel this A square cancel, B square B to the power 4 cancel, it will be B square. And upper side is nothing, below side is 9. Instead of 9, we can write 3 square and A B square power is 3 by 2. Now this power will multiply with each of this power. So you can write here 1, 3, 2 multiply 3 by 2, A to the power 3 by 2, B to the power 2 multiply 3 by 2. Now if we cancel, 2 to cancel, this 2 that to cancel. So finally we get 1, 3 cube, A to the power 3 by 2, B to the power 3. So finally we get 1 by 27 here. If we want to write A to the power 3 upper side, B to the power 3 upper side, we can write A to the power minus 3 by 2 and B to the power minus 3. Or we can write 1 by 27, A to the power 3 by 2, B to the power 3. So this is our question B answer. Number C, 20 to the power x plus 3 product. If there is a no sign, you have to think there's a product. 15 to the power 2x plus 5 multiply 6 to the power 2x minus 1. So we try to split this. Instead of 20, we can write 2 square multiply 5. Power is x plus 3. Multiply, instead of 15, we can write 3 multiply 5 to the power 2x plus 5. And instead of 6, we can write 3 multiply 2 to the power 2x minus 1. So we can split it. 2 to the power 2 multiply x plus 3 multiply 5 to the power x plus 3 multiply 3 to the power 2x plus 5 multiply 5 to the power 2x plus 5 multiply 3 to the power 2x minus 1 multiply 2 to the power 2x minus 1. Here we will get 2 to the power 2x plus 6 multiply 5 to the power x plus 3 multiply 3 to the power 2x plus 5 multiply 5 to the power 2x plus 5 multiply 3 to the power 2x minus 1 multiply 2 to the power 2x minus 1. Now all the x are 2 base number, 3 base number and 5 base number. We write it together. So we know that index formula, if base same like a to the power x multiply a to the power y, if we write it together, we can write it a to the power x plus y. If both of these base same and they are in the multiplication mode, if you want to write it together, their power will be add. So this base 2 and this base 2 number power will be add. So it will be 2 to the power 2x plus 2x is 4x. 6 minus 1 is 5. This 3 and the 3 multiply 3 to the power 4x plus 5 minus 1 is plus 4 multiply 5 to the power x plus 3 2x plus 5. So it will be 3x plus 8. So question number C completed. Now question number 3, solve a number 9 to the power x plus 1 minus 28 bracket to the power x bracket close plus 3. So instead of 9 we can write here 3 square. So 3 square power is x plus 1 minus 28 to the power x plus 3 equals to 0. Now 3 to the power, this power will multiply, you will get 2x plus 2 minus 28 to the power x plus 3 equals to 0. So we can write here to the power 2x into 3 square minus 28 to the power x plus 3 equals to 0. Now it will be 3 to the power x whole square. 3 square means 9 minus 28 to the power x plus 3 equals to 0. Now we will say let 3 to the power x equals to a. So what will we get? We will get here 9a square minus 28a plus 3 equals to 0. Now if you do factorization, 9a square minus 27a minus a plus 3 equals to 0. So from here we will get 2 factor a minus 3 into 9a minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, a minus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to 3. Instead of a, we can write here 3 to the power x. So 3, if it is in single position, its power is 1. So from here we get x equals to 1. So another value, 9a minus 1 equals to 0. From here we get a equals to 1 by 9. Instead of a, we can write here 3 to the power x. Instead of 1 by 9, if it's come upper side, it will be 3 to the power minus 2. So both of these base same, power will be equal. X equals to minus 2. Number B, 3 to the power 2x plus 2 plus 81 equals to 246 bracket 3 to the power x. So if we split this, we can write 3 to the power 2x into 3 square plus 81 equals to 246 3 to the power x. 3 square means 9. Instead of 3 to the power 2x, we can write 3 to the power x whole square minus 246 3 to the power x plus 81 equals to 0. Now we will say that let 3 to the power x equals to b. So 9b square minus 246b plus 81 equals to 0. If we divide it by 3, we'll get here 3b square minus 82b plus 27 equals to 0. So 81, okay, so 3b square minus 81b minus b plus 27 equals to 0. Now take 3b common, it will be 3b minus 27. If we take common 3b, here it will be b, it is 27. If you take common 1, minus 1, it will be b minus 27, internal sign change. So finally we get here b minus 27, 3b minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, b minus 27 equals to 0, b equals to 27. Instead of b, we can write here 3 to the power x. Instead of 27, you can write 3 cube. Therefore, x equals to 3. Now, 3b equal minus 1 equals to 0. b equals to 1 by 3 means 3 inverse. So instead of b, you can write 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power minus 1. If both of these base same, power will be equal, x equals to minus 1. So this is question number B. So answer is x equals to 3 and another x equals to minus 1. Now we can do question number 4. The equation of a curve is y equals to ax to the power b, given that x equals to 1 when y equals to 9 and y equals to 44 when x equals to 2. Calculate the value of a and b. So at first you have to write y equals to ax to the power b when x equals to 1 and y equals to 9. 1 to the power b means 1. So therefore we'll get a equals to 9. Now y equals to 9 x to the power b. We have to put here y value 9 and y value 44 here, and x value 2, so 9 2 to the power b. So if 9 come in the left side, it will be 44 divided by 9 equals 2 to the power b. So we know that index number, if you want to find the result, you have to convert it to log. So 2 to the power b equals to 44 divided by 9. So b equals to log 2 base 44 divided by 9. So we can write this log 2 base 44 by 9 means log 10 base 44 by 9 by log 10 base 2. So we finally get here b equals to 2.29. So I believe that everybody understood this maths. Still, if you have any confusion, please contact with me. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.